This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jacqueline Kalu. Waterfront Oasis 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit with an open/flexible floor plan located in North Bay Village. This waterfront unit boasts super high ceilings and has floor-to-ceiling windows, creating a very special ambience. Watch the most beautiful sunsets from your dining room, your new designer kitchen, or from your elevated jacuzzi in the primary bedroom. Fully motorized smart shades are voice activated. The walk-in closets were custom built by Italkraft. The building offers a fully equipped gym and rooftop pool for your enjoyment, and the covered parking garage has electric car charging stations. For more information, review the details below or contact Jacqueline Kalu at 786-581-1400.